From decluttering and organizing our digital devices to putting our lives in motion with transformative travel experiences, spring is the season of action. Joining us again is CP Newsgroup's executive editor, David Gregg. David partnered with category-leading companies to help consumers like us affordably and effectively spring into action. So David, can we start with a product to help everyone get more organized?
Of course, spring is the perfect time to declutter your entire digital life and your devices. WD's MyBook has your spring digital cleaning covered with their high-capacity desktop storage devices. The MyBook is one of the easiest and most reliable solutions to organize, store, and safely back up your precious photos, videos, and documents. With the recently announced behemoth 22 terabyte hard drive option, you may never have to worry about storage capacity again. Affordable pricing starts just under $120 to purchase one of the WD MyBook storage device options to consolidate your entire digital life into just one organized solution. Everyone's spring travels will be much more enjoyable if there's a relief band on your wrist. That's because this anti-nausea solution lives up to its name. Relief Band is an FDA-cleared device that was developed to prevent post-op nausea in hospitals and also prevents nausea caused by chemo, morning sickness, and migraines. It's also an essential drug-free solution for travel, including flying and cruising and driving, and anxiety-related motion sickness. Relief Band works by emitting gentle pulses, stimulating the median nerve to effectively turn off feelings of nausea. Relief Band is wildly effective. 85% of its users report total or near total relief from nausea. Affordable Relief Band option pricing starts under $100. To learn more about how these trusted and category-leading products can spring you into action this season, visit cpnewsgroup.com. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, David. You always bring us such great product information and recommendations.